simultaneously I thought I'll record something. I don't know this whole place, like it's a forest. It's between Gokarna and Hubli. So this is a state highway. It goes through this forest area. So I just thought maybe there might be something interesting here or even scenic. I see a slight mist is forming right now. I don't know if GoPro can capture that. And I'm prepared, like I have the fog lights filter set on the yeah, so if in case there is a mist, I don't have a problem. And in fact that will be nice, like riding through forest and mist. So that's what I was hoping for when I started recording it. And one of the battery, it was fully charged, so I thought why not, like let's use that. And SD card is also like it's quite empty right now. So I kind of expected this will happen, some kind of traffic here, but that's okay. If I can get clear from here, from this traffic, that would be nice. I think this is the only straight road we'll find, so let's try to utilize that. Is not going to be a problem. From here onwards, I think it's all twisties. There's a truck coming. Oh, I stopped. So he was stopped. I thought he's okay. I don't know why that car flashed the light. I mean, I also have lights now enough to flash their eyes out. But I won't do that. Like I'm a little responsible with that. This was worth it. This was worth recording it. I just wish there was a little more fog, but that's just me being greedy. This is the climb I was expecting here, because as I mentioned earlier, we are going from coast to a terrain, like not a hill area, but a decent elevation terrain. See, it's such a nice forest, and all I'm smelling right now is oil, like some kind of oil, diesel, I don't know what it is. All these trucks probably. Oh man, these potholes, you have to really watch out for that. Okay, now it's getting darker. I wonder if I should turn on the... Don't flash, dude, I know you're coming. Okay, I wonder if I should... I just want an excuse to turn on my auxiliary lights at this point. I mean, I purchased it, so fitted it, so why not? I'll use it every opportunity I get. That was a clear path for me. Is there another clear path? Yes, it is, but there's a vehicle coming from the opposite direction. It was ambulance. I'm glad I didn't get in the path. I didn't like block him or anything. Okay, I'll turn on the lights. Yes. Okay. So I believe I haven't recorded video with these lights on. So right now I have the fog filters. That's why it's yellowish tint. It doesn't harm the vehicle coming in the opposite direction, like the eyes of the driver in opposite direction, that much compared to LEDs. But it's an indication that there's a vehicle coming in.